Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Stop Loss. Understanding stop loss orders is crucial for managing risk in crypto trading. It's a powerful tool that helps protect your investments from significant downturns by automatically executing a trade when a certain price point is hit. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to set up these orders effectively on Binance, ensuring you trade with more confidence and control. To place a stop loss order, first log into your Binance account and select the trading pair you wish to manage. You'll find the option under the order types, typically labeled stop limit or stop market. Carefully input your desired stop price, which triggers the order, and if using a stop limit, your limit price. Finally, specify the quantity of the asset you want to sell. Double-check all details before confirming. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading insights. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. You can find the link to this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. It's important to understand the difference between stop limit and stop market orders. A stop limit order, once triggered by the stop price, places a limit order on the books, giving you control over the execution price. Conversely, a stop market order, when triggered, immediately executes a market order, prioritizing speed of execution over a specific price. Choose based on your trading strategy and market conditions. For more advanced strategies, consider adjusting your stop loss as your trade moves into profit. This technique, often called trailing stop loss, helps secure gains while still protecting against reversals. Also, avoid setting your stop loss too tightly to the current market price, as this can lead to premature execution due to minor price fluctuations. Give your trade some room to breathe within your risk tolerance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.